Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to insert watermark on your Microsoft Word document. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So I'm going to head over to my Microsoft Word, and then right here, as you can see, I have a Word document right here. So I'm going to insert a watermark on this document. So to do that, I'm going to head over to my design ribbon right here, and then on the left end of the screen you see the watermark button right there. So I'm going to hit on it. So when you hit on it, this drops down, and then right here you will see the default watermark you can use for your document. So we have three different categories right here. We have the confidential, we have disclaimer, and also we have the urgent. So you can choose from any one of them. As you can see, I just chose one right now. So we have, I don't know if you can really see it, but there's a watermark right here. And then if I go back to the watermark button and I hit on custom watermark right here, I get to choose how my watermark appears. So right here I have an option to remove my watermark by checking this no watermark button. So when I check the no watermark button and I hit on apply, right here you get to see the preview. You see the watermark I just applied is gone. So when I hit on pictures, so right here you get to choose a picture as a watermark. If you hit on select pictures, this first option allows you to select a picture from your device, that is from your computer, to use as a watermark. You can select from Binge image, you can select from the OneDrive. So I'm going to select from my computer. So I'm going to hit on this from a file button. So here I get to choose a picture. So I'm going to choose this for this tutorial, and then I'm going to click on insert. So after clicking on insert, so right here you can choose the scale, how big you want your watermark to look on your document. So I'm just going to leave it at auto. So I'm going to click on apply right here, and then right here you can see the image I just chose, or the image I just selected as my watermark on my document. So I don't know if you can really see the watermark. So if you uncheck this wash out right here and you click on apply, the transparency will reduce. So that's how to insert pictures as a watermark. So the next option there is the text watermark. So right here, when I select the text, so right here I get to type in whatever text I want as my watermark. So the first option there, you can choose any language of your choice, and then right here we have text. You can type in whatever text you want. So I'm going to type in Kadiri. So up next, you get to choose a font for your watermark. So you have multiple fonts right here to choose from. Whatever font you want, you get it right here. So I'm going to select Arial Black right here, and then right here you get to choose your font size. So I'm going to say 44 or 48, and then you also get to choose a color for your watermark. So I'm going to leave this on red. So if I hit on apply, you see your watermark will appear on your document with the same settings or the same format you just used. So right here you get to choose the layout you want your watermark to be on. So you can choose diagonal just the way it is right now, or you can hit on the horizontal layout. So this semi-transparent check right here is to increase and decrease the intensity of, or the transparency of your watermark. So I just unchecked it. You see how bold your watermark becomes. So when I check it and then click on apply, you see the transparency. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.